When buying a hybrid car, most people worry about one thing: long-term reliability. With complicated systems and batteries involved, it's a fair concern. But not all hybrids are created equal. Let's count down the top 12 most reliable hybrid cars, based on real data, not just promises. Number 12. BMW 330e, 2016 present. Stylish and sporty, the 330e is a plug-in hybrid that goes up to 62 miles on electricity alone. But reliability is mixed. Around 16% of owners reported problems, mostly with the electric motor or battery. And here's the bad news. Some repairs cost over $1,500 and took more than a week. Number 11. Ford Kuga Hybrid PHEV 2021 present. The Kuga is great for families, offering a spacious interior and decent electric-only range. But 33% of owners had issues, mainly battery problems. Nearly half the cars were in the shop for over a week. Still, Ford covered most repairs. Number 10. Volvo XC60 PHEV 2016 present. This premium SUV looks and feels high-end. Only 16% reported issues, mainly electrical. The good news? All repairs were free. The bad news? 1 in 5 cars became undrivable, and many repairs took over a week. Number 9. Toyota CHR 2016 to 2023. This unique-looking SUV is now available only used, but it's still a smart pick. Just 14% of owners reported issues, mostly minor battery glitches. Most repairs were cheap or free and done in a day. Number 8. Volvo XC40 PHEV 2017 present. Stylish, compact, and comfortable, the XC40 plug-in hybrid stands out. Only 10% had issues, and they were fixed free of charge. While some cars stayed in the shop longer, most problems were minor and didn't stop the car from being used. Number 7. Lexus NX 2021 present. Smoother to drive than the old model, the new NX is refined and fun. But it's not as bulletproof as its predecessor. 13% had bodywork issues, and while Lexus paid for most repairs, a few owners faced costs up to $500. Number 6. Mercedes A-Class Hybrid 2018 present. Comfortable and well-equipped, this luxury hatchback had just one major complaint: interior trim issues. About 11% of owners reported problems, but all were fixed for free. The only downside? Repairs were slow, with many taking over a week. Number 5. Lexus RX 2016 to 2022. Luxury meets dependability. The RX is powerful and smooth, and just 3% of owners reported issues, mostly aircon or bodywork problems. Even better, all repairs were free and done in a day or less. Number 4. Toyota RAV4 2019 present. One of the best-selling hybrids worldwide. Only 3% of owners reported issues, mostly battery-related. 83% of repairs cost nothing. This SUV is roomy, practical, and a top performer in hybrid reliability. Number 3. Hyundai Kona Hybrid 2019 present. This small SUV is efficient, reliable, and wallet-friendly. Just 7% had issues, all minor. Hyundai's 5-year warranty meant all fixes were free, and most cars were back on the road within a day. Number 2. Lexus ES 2018 present. This elegant saloon offers luxury without the stress. Only 4% of cars had problems, mostly with the infotainment system. All were fixed quickly, and Lexus paid every penny. It's the most reliable executive hybrid around. Number 1. Lexus NX 2014 to 2021. Topping our list is the older Lexus NX. It may not be the flashiest or fastest, but when it comes to reliability, it's unbeatable. 0 issues, 0 breakdowns, 0 repair costs. One owner even said, "My car has been faultless in the 2 years I've owned it." So there you have it, the top 13 most reliable hybrid cars. If you're planning to go green without worrying about repair bills, these hybrids are your safest bets. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart car tips and rankings. Safe driving.